And picking out materials for this Bratz vs Barbie party part 2. Excuse my baby cousin, y'all. Bratz vs Barbie part 2, which I actually went to the first Bratz vs Barbie party, but I didn't get a chance to vlog. But I did post my costume in the shorts. I'm actually going to, vlog this time because I actually have the time or whatever. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewing tips, try-on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. So this is the first part I'm going to start out with. It's just the skirt to cut out. It's just a basic, plain white skirt. I'm going to cut out a fitted skirt just like this skirt I have on top, which I made a couple years back with a regular elastic on top. But I made this skirt out of a shirt. It actually goes with the two-piece though, y'all. And I'm going to measure it, from one like this. And go ahead, excuse my nails, y'all. I took them off, to braid my hair for my birthday. But I'm going to go ahead and make a dot. This is my actual skirt, and I had to like lighten up on the marker dot, and I don't even have it inside out, which I'm supposed to, but I'm gonna cut directly on the dot. But I had to size it and make it my size, and I brightened it up with the lighter color, which is the yellow. But I'm about to go ahead and cut out my shape of this skirt. These are the gloves, well, not even gloves actually, but like arm warmers. Whatever you want to call them. But I'm actually going to cut these like in half so I can like put them on top of the shirt that I'm actually going to sew and put together and make a long sleeve. All I'm literally doing is like cutting it from the arm part, like literally just cutting it and just making it a whole piece of fur that I can put on top of the top that I'm sewing. And two of the pieces are officially cut. This is the finished skirt, and all I have to do is just sew the sides and add some basic elastic probably, which I probably don't even have to add elastic to this because it's like very, very stretchy and whatnot. But I'll just have to see once it's done and finished, and fully sewn. This is the top that I'm wanting to actually have for the Bratz doll look, which is a crop furry top. The top I'm going to add the fur at the top. This, oh my bad. This fur over here actually, but I actually cut this top together. It was a regular long sleeve top, but the sleeves is right here in the regular shirt. I'm just going to go ahead and just make it a crop top and DIY it myself and make it cute and funky. Excuse the noise, y'all, but this is the finished regular skirt that I did. All I did was just sew the sides down and sew a middle part down to make it look neat or whatever. I didn't put any elastic in it because it fits pretty good. I made it pretty tight and small. It is just a regular stretchable white material, which is so perfect for this. And next, all I'm going to do is cut it the length I want it. And also going to add the details that I want to add onto the skirt. The details I'm thinking about adding onto this skirt is this cute rainbow scrunchy like detail, which was like $3.99. I got this from like Hobby Lobby or whatever. And I'm just gonna like glue this on with some fashion glue. The beautiful fabric fusion glue that I always use. This is the best fabric glue that I always use to like glue on other fabric and make details and all this type of stuff. And I get it from Hobby Lobby, y'all. And excuse my voice, y'all. I am a little sick, which actually sucks. I don't know how I got sick, but I've been like this for the past 3 days. It's just been like my throat. I just been coughing like a little small cold or whatever. Hopefully go away soon. Sorry, y'all, my grandmother's on the phone or whatever, and the fan is on. I am at my grandma's. Y'all know my sewing stuff is all up over here. But I have officially, glued on the fabric details, the scrunchy details, the scrunchy rainbow details to the skirt. I accidentally got glue all over this spot, so I added another one. But it was supposed to be more spaced out, but it's more added detail, which I am just fine with or whatever. But I just have to iron whenever this is dry down. But I'm just going to add my pins, my butterfly pins, and go ahead and let it dry for a day or so. Sorry for the noise once again, y'all. My baby cousin's playing, doing whatever. But so this is the top. This is a fashion statement. Actually, I did it inside out on purpose, and I just added, you know, the white thread or whatever, and I made the top smaller actually because it was cut apart. And all I'm about to do now is just cut it into a crop top and cut and clean it and make it look neat than what it is actually looking. And then go ahead and add the fur. Officially cut. Ooh, I can't even talk. I got food in my mouth, y'all. But officially cut the crop top. And all I have to do is just add the fur on, which I'm so excited. And I'm going to go ahead and add the fur. And when I do add the fur, excuse me, y'all, my nails are not done. I got them like half done. They're not even filed. Got any print on them. No, nothing, y'all. And nothing. And I got this cute bracelet, you know, go away. I actually got this from AliExpress. It was like order low. Excuse me. The actual fur that I want to add on the top, and I'm going to actually hand sew this. My grandmother is actually going to help me. My nails is not, you know, they actually getting the best of me right now. So yeah, I'm going to need help with hand sewing that right now. I've officially, you know, finished the top of the long sleeve crop top. Just added the fur. My grandma tapped me out. The fur is officially sewn in there and it looks so good. I actually tried it on. And then this is the finishing skirt and how everything is looking right now, which I am going to actually go out and go buy some pants and some shoes or see what the heck I have in my closet and, you know, style this outfit. Okay, babes, this is the actual look and I love y'all how it turned out. And happy freaking birthday to me. You know what I'm saying? You know, 29 freaking years old and I cannot believe it. I'm actually kind of in a rush. I got some fur or something on my lips, y'all. This dang fur that I sewed on here, y'all. It be getting kind of like everywhere. Y'all, it's cheap fur, not no real fur. You know, I love your animals. But, y'all, I am 29. You know, it is a blessing to be 29, even though, you know, I'm going through a lot. But I am finna go out to this lovely Bratz vs. Barbie party part 2. And, y'all, I'm so excited. My nails is done. And, you know, the stars on the nails is really giving Bratz doll vibes. I'm so in love, y'all. And I cut the skirt shorter, like, literally so short to where, y'all, let me turn it around. This is the back and how everything looks. Stretch out these freaking whatever I sewed on here. These, like, this scrunchy material, whatever. Because it was, like, real tight when I glued it on there. So I, like, had to rip it apart for it to, like, make it fit and be more, you know, stretchable for me and more comfortable. So I actually like to be comfy and cute. I don't like being all cluttered up and whatnot. So yeah, and the way that the top turned out, I'm really actually loving it. Like, the sleeves are like long enough, stretchable. You know, the material is actually kind of thin. It's not too thick because it is summertime. You know, I have on all these clothes. But I am, you know, doing this look of this doll that I seen on Pinterest and whatnot with the little braids. But she had, like, pink in her hair, which was so cute. I wish I had, like, color. But I don't have any color, anything like that. I just got the regular, you know, curly braids, which I am so in love with. I added the clips, you know, the clips that she had. And, y'all, wait, let me get my bag. The type of bag, y'all, I'm wearing is this clear, cute bag. It's actually kind of ghetto because the zipper, a bug. Anyway, because the zipper had broke off kind of, so it's just like ghetto and whatnot. But this is the bag that I'm wearing, and I'm just like, whatever, y'all. Oh yeah, also I also wore my Bratz palette makeup. Y'all know my beautiful Bratz palette makeup that I wore, also dressing like a Bratz. And y'all, I haven't even started drinking yet. Like, I haven't started doing anything. I'm finna meet at my mom's with my cousin and my sister. You know, we're just going to have drinks, you know, chill out, pregame, whatever y'all call it. You know, just do what we do. And I'm just gonna have a good time, you know what I'm saying? I am 29. I really didn't, like, do anything today. You know, I didn't even go out to eat.
But I am, I guess, gonna go out to a party, and I do love Bratz versus Barbie. I was a Barbie last time, but y'all, I am a Bratz, and y'all, this time I made my outfit, y'all. I really have a passion for fashion, you know what I'm saying? I am so excited. Happy birthday to me once again. Like, y'all, I've been so emotional all day, really. Like, I can't even lie. But everything is going to be great for me, and I've just been praying for my birthday, to be honest with you, just trying to get closer to God and build myself up and start my healing journey, because it is so much that I have to catch up and tell you, babes. But yes, really, y'all, love it. Okay, the shoes that I am wearing are these platforms that I got from Forever 21 for like $6 on clearance, y'all. These used to be like my favorite shoes, my platforms, but I had to show y'all my lovely shoes, because y'all, these are so cute with this outfit, and they really like give it a edgy, pop, cute look. Really sorry for the camera being a little crooked or whatever. I don't know what is wrong with my dang stand, but y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, babes?